Good morning friends, myself Himanshu Pawar with my friends Ashish Sukala and Vivek Patel demonstrating our project timer circuit using any triple timer IC. Please switch on the supply. We will be demonstrating it on all out for 2 minutes. Please set the switch to 2 and trigger the circuit. Here you can see we have started the stopwatch to make sure our timer circuit runs correct, and you can see the load is all out. We have built the timer circuit using the IC NE555, and we have shown there, we have included there two LEDs. The red LED indicates the power is given to the circuit, and the green LEDs indicate the power is given to the load. As to cross check, you can see this LED, the LED of all out, which is showing that the power is given to the all out. We have made it as a switch component using the relay. The relay is acting as a switch for the load component. We have used six step switch, and we have used IC7812 for the 12 volts regulated supply. It basically works on the principle of the charging time of capacitor, which is equal to 1.1 log RC. And here you can see we have used the push switch, formerly known as micro switch. Next. We have included the power given to the circuit is 12 volt, which is transformed using the transformer and the bridge rectifier connected here. After the transformation, the power given to the circuit is of 12 volts and 1 ampere. Here the power given to the output is 240 volts, 230 volts probably, 230 volts and 50 hertz supply, which is from the input. You will notice after 30 seconds, likewise you can see on stopwatch, you will notice after 30 seconds the all out, which is load, will be automatically turned off, and we will be improving our project by making it digital, and formally we will be improving the alarm system. We will be including the alarm system over a circuit so that anyone can be alarmed of it when the circuit closes. As you can see, after any time the circuit can be turned off. You can see, just see, note there, the power is still given to the circuit, all out is off, and almost time is 2:03, 2 minutes 3 seconds. And thank you for watching our video.